Okay, so sorry girls, this video is incredibly boring, I realize, but I am basically going for everything I need to, okay? So, advantage one, the way I did it, and I'm going to show you the way I did it, and then I'm going to have a look at the mark scheme, okay? So you need to say one advantage. So it makes the product appear less expensive. That's what I think it does. Okay, and this is because you can buy 2 items for the price of 1. Okay, remember that I'm doing this, I'm saying state because this leads to and therefore. Okay, so this leads to a positive word of mouth advertising. Okay, and therefore a higher customer retention. Okay, and that would have been a great way to answer that. And the disadvantage, you could have said, I just want to give you ideas. This is why I'm going for them. Okay, I know you probably have done great ones yourselves, but I want to give you good ideas. Okay, so the buy one get one free strategy implies, this is disadvantage, that you are only making half of the revenue that you would normally generate. Okay, why is this? So this is because as customers purchase one product, they get the other one for free. Okay, this leads to, or you can say means, this means that you might need more customers in order to reach the break-even point. Okay, this is a nice idea that you can think of. Okay, and what does this mean? This means that therefore, other promotional strategies might be needed to attract more customers. This is a bit extra disadvantage here, but I just wanted to give you like a nice example of how you could be writing them. Okay, they don't need to be this long. Okay, so here in the indicative content, they're just saying that for advantage you could have talked about these 3 things here. Again, stop it and have a look at it yourselves, girls. And the examples that they gave, oh sorry, these are more disadvantages by the way, are a lot shorter than the ones I gave you. Okay, so I'll be able to sell stock more quickly. And the reason why I give you the because this leads to and therefore is not because the exam board wants you to do it like that. It's because I've attended a few courses and they recommend that usage of that kind of format when you're answering questions like that. But you don't absolutely have to do it. Okay, the important thing is that you got 3 logical points that actually make sense. Okay, so I'll be able to sell more stock more quickly. This is an advantage, as I will sell 2 items instead of 1, and therefore this means I will get rid of obsolete stock. That would give you actually 3 marks. You don't have to do the big thing that I give you. It's just that I really recommend that you do it because that would always give you the structure to get the full 3 marks. Okay, times 2, then 6 marks. And then the disadvantage is that you only make half the revenue that you normally do, as I will need to give away one product for free, and this will reduce my profit. Okay. Then we got question 22. You have identified that you need to pay the following fixed and variable costs each month to run your business. Explain what is meant by fixed cost. You just had to basically elaborate. So again, we got an explain question. Okay, it's not stating, you need to explain. So it's not enough to just say what cost means. You need to give a bit more of an explanation. So you can say something like costs. So fixed costs are costs that do not vary with output, for example, insurance, advertising, and utilities. And this means that as more items are produced, these costs do not increase. Okay, so remember with this explain question, you absolutely have to give a bit more than just a definition. Okay, so let me see the way question's about to end. Have a look at this, girls. Fixed costs